Hello, this is Caesar with Cali Custom Alignments. Today we're going to do a road test on this 2001 Honda Prelude. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. So the checking light come on, then turn off. All the lights turn off. We did notice that the airbag light is on. So let's take a look. Put the seatbelt on. Okay, so I noticed also the little LED for the up and down shifts not working. Drive, here we go. Okay, first gear. So far it's driving very good. No issues, no overheating, AC blows nice and cold. Let's go on a straighter path and see how that looks like. Okay, this is the straighter path. Here we go. So far the transmission is very smooth. We do notice the steering is a little crooked this way. No overheating. Okay, so far it looks good. All right, let me pull over. Let's take a look at the engine bay and confirm the operation. Okay, here's a better look. Engine bay running smoothly. The concern that we have is we have smoking out the tailpipe. Let's take a look. Okay, here's another look of the other side. Notice that it's running. Both fans are on. No check engine light. But we do see a little bit of smoke come out. Yeah, see there's this smoke over there. Hard to see, but it does smoke when you rev it. That tells me that there's something internal damage. So yeah, next step pretty much is we're gonna do a compressor test, see where this motor's at, and just kind of confirm the damage. But we're going to go ahead and do a engine replacement, make sure that the engine is happy and running good, and to be continued. So, all right, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the repair.